Okay, now that we've helped you get through your health benefits, let's talk about your health and how to stay healthy.
Sarah Boots is Pro Healthcare's Manager of Community Benefits and Education. We hear a lot about being proactive when it comes to managing our health, but what does that really mean, Sarah?
It means being an active self-manager of your own health. And so what we always say is we encourage people to kind of take a look at what's out there, what education opportunities are out there. We at Pro Healthcare offer classes and screenings and health fairs on a monthly, weekly, sometimes daily basis that people a lot of times don't even know about.
Yeah, so this is kind of interesting. I mean, yes, we know we need to go see our doctor once a year, at least to get the yearly physical. If we have a health issue, we go see our doctor. But there's a lot of things about learning how to have the right mindset about your own health. What are some of the more popular programs that you have?
Yeah, so we do everything from heart health to nutrition. Nutrition is probably
the
biggest class. Yes.
Popular?
Hugely popular.
What can I learn there?
You can learn how to make healthy meals for two. You can learn how to make healthy meals on the go for your kids. You can learn about holiday cooking tips. Everything from a plant-based diet. We do classes on nutrition based on and focused on cancer prevention.
Yeah, because people like, you just get this horrible diagnosis of cancer. Yes, you're dealing with your doctors and others, but what's life going to be like at home with my family and my wife, and trying to make
the transition so that everybody supports your health, especially in that situation.
Right, and we know that people know that they love learning what they can do to kind of help themselves without having to go to the doctor and make that kind of visit. We do a lot of more intensive kind of workshop kind of classes and take that approach where people come for a series of classes, sometimes 6-7 weeks.
These are free, or?
Yeah, they're free. They're free classes, right. And so we really teach tools. We give people kind of, we call it a toolbox. And so teach people different techniques and things that they can do to be better managers of their health.
I like how you're empowering people with information and you're giving it to them for free. So there's really no excuse why you can't learn about how to be your own advocate. Can you share, are there any other classes that you do with activity like health and exercise?
Right, we do. And we typically, once a year, I'd like to point out, we have a really large scale health fair that we invite the whole community to. And it's beyond just our Pro Healthcare screenings and physicians that kind of offer things, but we invite our local YMCA to take part in it, our American Cancer Society, the American Heart Association. Everyone's kind of there. We do exercise activities, we do cooking demonstrations, we do free screenings. We have insurance navigators there to help people sign up for insurance products. So it's really, the resources are out there. It's just kind of finding out about them and taking advantage.
So a big issue for people to navigate through is the arrival of a new child, or a mother expecting a child. So there's so much you can read about, find online, but what are you offering for mothers, soon-to-be mothers?
We offer a number of childbirth education classes, so that's one thing, which kind of focus a little more on the labor and delivery portion of it. But we also do some evidence-based classes, we call them. Lots of research goes into it on having the happiest baby on the block, for example, right? Who doesn't want that?
Right.
I know. I want to sleep at night.
Exactly.
So things like that. We do car seat safety checks. We partner with local fire departments, and we're out there in the community helping moms and dads, grandparents,
even things
safe.
Like breastfeeding.
Breastfeeding classes, absolutely. We do it all,
So how can people learn more about what you're doing at Pro Health?
They can go to our website, prohealthcare.org, and just look up our classes, and you'll see a calendar of tons of opportunities.
You have a big breakfast, though, once a month?
We do.
What's that one?
It's our favorite breakfast to talk about, yes. We have our Senior Breakfast Club, we call it. It kind of started small with maybe 30-ish attendees, and it has just grown by leaps and bounds. So we invite seniors in our community to come join us, and we have health topics each month. Maybe we talk about heart health, or we talk about the importance of advanced care planning. But more than that, we like to know that learning can also be partnered with fun,
So while we've learned here that filling out the health insurance benefits can be stressful, we can go now with some of these programs to reduce the stress.
Absolutely, yes.
So
please do.
Sarah.
Thanks, Sarah.
Yeah.